Magandang buhay! This is Muller Bonita Salon located at ELTI Building, Surley Street, Balibago, Angeles City. And for today's video, ipaflex po natin ang mga before and after ng ating mga eyelash. Ang paglalagay ng eyelash ay kailangan maingat upang hindi po magkaroon ng irritation ang mga mata. This coming Valentine's Day, may promo po tayo sa ating mga eyelash extension, which is Classic is 200, Hybrid is 300, Volume 500, and Super Volume is 700. What are you waiting for mga madam? Magpagawa na tayo ng eyelash extension dito sa Muller Bonita Salon here in Balibago. I-flex ko din po at available din po dito ang ating nail extension or soft gel and poly gel. Starting price po ng ating soft gel ay 500. So what are you waiting for, madam? Visit na here in Muller Bonita Salon, located at ELTI Building, Surley Street, Balibago, Angeles City. Magandang buhay!